Alright guys, so I am 1 month post minoxidil beard growth. So I've been putting minoxidil on my face for about 18 months now to specifically accelerate the growth of the hairs on my face, and it's worked fantastically. But now I'm going to document, this video is going to document the first month afterwards post minoxidil. I'm going to maybe do a couple more, but truth be told guys, there's not too much to say. I'll let you look. So you could look at a video I done like a couple months back where I was taking minoxidil allegedly, and you'll see there's no difference whatsoever really. The beard shape might be slightly different or whatever, but it's all permanent now. A lot of people will say that minoxidil beards aren't, permanent or whatever, but the truth is, if you take it for at least a year, what happens is a year and a bit long. Like I said, in my case, it's 18 months, but I've had these thin temporary hairs known as vellus hairs sort of grow into terminal hairs, and a terminal hair is permanent face, permanent hair pretty much. So that's why guys who quit after 3 6 months, even longer possibly, they'll lose all the gains because they have not given the minoxidil enough time to do its magic and turn those thin vellus hairs into the proper thick terminal hairs that you'll see on people. But yeah, so this is kind of me just doing my part to document my little bit of the journey. For guys who are taking minoxidil right now, I would recommend that you use, at the bare minimum, go for a year. I would say longer, possibly give it like 18 months like I did, because there are some gains to be made in your second year. But I'll let you see again. Okay. So like I said, I haven't noticed any difference whatsoever. I haven't been waking up to my pillow with like some hairs on it or whatever. I haven't noticed any thinning, nothing really. It's just, it is what it is now. It's there. Do you get me? But yeah, guys. So it's a big deal. Like, I mean, it feels like a big deal to me, honestly, because like I said, a lot of you're putting it on your face twice, once in the morning, once at night. It takes like it's like fairly quick, but when you're doing it for a year and a half, it adds up, and it's a little part of your routine and whatever. But I'm relieved. It's like I'm putting on like a bloody beard oil instead now. It's a bit nice and whatever. But yeah, like I said, guys, for those of you who are on the minoxidil journey, it is a massive thing with patience. You got to give time for the results to show. And if you've been out for a year and longer, you can kind of tell what a terminal hair really is compared to a vellus hair. So you should be able to make that call confidently. And like I said, make sure you do it, give it enough time for those terminal hairs to come through. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in whatever's next.